In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for Freelance Invoice. If you're a freelancer and you want a simple way to create clean, professional invoices inside ClickUp, this process is quick and easy. We'll be using a built-in template, customizing it with your business and client details, and then exporting it as a PDF so it's ready to send. To get started, open ClickUp Docs and create a new doc. This will be the workspace where your invoice is built. Using a doc is helpful because it keeps everything organized in one place, and it makes editing fast if you need to update anything later. Once your new doc is open, click on Templates and search for Freelance Invoice. Templates save time because the structure is already prepared for you, so you don't have to build an invoice from scratch. This is especially useful if you want a consistent format for every client invoice you create. When you find the Freelance Invoice template, select it and click Use Template. ClickUp will place that template into your doc, giving you a ready-made layout that you can start editing right away. Now it's time to add your own information. Fill in your name, your business details, your contact information, and your payment instructions. This section is important because it tells your client exactly who the invoice is from and how they should submit payment. Make sure everything is accurate and easy to read so there's no confusion later. Next, complete the rest of the invoice by entering the client's details, the invoice number, the services you provided, your rates, the total amount due, the payment terms, and the due date. Be as clear as possible here. A well-detailed invoice helps avoid misunderstandings and makes it easier for your client to review and process payment. Double-check the numbers before moving on, especially the service totals and final amount. After that, export the invoice. Click the three-dot menu, choose Export, and then select PDF. Exporting as a PDF is a smart choice because it preserves the formatting and looks professional when shared with clients across different devices. Finally, send the PDF to your client and track its payment status in ClickUp. Keeping track of whether an invoice has been sent, viewed, or paid can help you stay organized and follow up at the right time if needed. That way, you're not just creating invoices. You're also managing your payment workflow more efficiently. Thanks for watching.